Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Is green coffee bean helpful for weight loss? During the quest for weight loss, many individuals seek out natural and effective solutions to aid their journey. One such contender is green coffee bean. But is it really beneficial? Let's see some of the benefits of green coffee bean. Green coffee bean and weight loss. Numerous studies have investigated the potential weight loss benefits of green coffee bean with promising results. The key active component in green coffee bean is chlorogenic acid, which is believed to have several metabolic effects that may support weight loss efforts. Here are the potential weight loss benefits of green coffee bean. 1. Metabolic boost. Chlorogenic acid in green coffee beans may help boost metabolism, allowing the body to burn calories more efficiently. This increased metabolic rate can contribute to weight loss over time. 2. Fat absorption inhibition. Chlorogenic acid is thought to inhibit the absorption of fats from the diet, potentially leading to reduced fat accumulation in the body. This mechanism could aid in weight loss management by limiting calorie intake from dietary fat. Number 3. Appetite regulation. Some research suggests that chlorogenic acid may help regulate appetite by influencing hormones involved in hunger and satiety. By promoting feelings of fullness, green coffee bean extract may help reduce overall calorie consumption. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. Green coffee bean extract has been studied for its potential to regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for weight management. Stable blood sugar levels can help prevent energy crashes and reduce cravings for sugary foods. 5. Antioxidant properties. Like regular coffee, green coffee bean contains antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. While not directly related to weight loss, antioxidant-rich foods may support overall health and well-being during weight loss efforts. Green coffee bean extract shows promises as a natural aid for weight loss thanks to its chlorogenic acid content. With proper caution and guidance, it could be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.